Congratulations! Through your employer, you now have access to NOVO Health qualified providers. These are high-quality healthcare workers in your community who want to see you today, resolve your issue, and save you and your employer money. If you choose to participate, your care might be free, or you might be paid cash. It's a healthcare option added to your traditional health insurance, and there to take advantage of whenever you need it. And let's say that day is today. Here's how it works. Call Care Navigation or tap it directly from the NOVO Health app. Select a healthcare provider qualified to best meet your needs. Connect with a scheduler to set your appointment. Empower your wallet. Care Navigation connects you to our ever-growing panel of independent specialists for orthopedics, spine, pain management, foot and ankle, women's care, plastic surgery, and heart and vascular care. Our providers are 100% board certified and offer you priority access within 48 hours if medically necessary. We've packaged many common procedures into easy-to-understand bundles. So there's one price, one bill, and employer cost savings are shared with employees. If you need a bundle, your employer will pay you cash or might pick up the tab for your entire procedure. And if your procedure isn't yet on the bundled list, you still get a seamless experience with Care Navigation and priority access to top-level providers in your area. Connect with NOVO Health today to get started. Schedule your consultation, meet with the provider, and make a plan. You get high-quality care. Your employer keeps medical costs down. You support providers with independent businesses keeping jobs and better health care in your community. And you get dollars back in your pocket.